Morning everyone, welcome back to a Vlogmas. It is the next day, so it is December 22nd. It is 1 o'clock and I still don't have the vlog up from yesterday, but I will do it. I will get that done. I did rearrange the beauty room. Say hi to Leo. He's gonna be a daddy. Oh, I guess he couldn't jump up. So I got this room cleaned up last night, rearranged it a little bit for the Whelping box. It should be here today. That's Leo. He just nudged you guys. So that's coming today. I wanted to make room for that. It got cold last night. Chris and I slept on the couch so we could keep putting fire in the fireplace, but Chris started to drink, so he passed out. So it was up to me to do it, and I fell asleep. So we woke up, fire was out, and the house was down to 66 degrees, you guys. I had the house up to like 74, I think was the highest I could get it up to, and it dropped all the way down to 66. And they are doing the same thing again tonight, so from 4 to 9:30 there will be no heat in the house. So yeah, I need to get off that dual fuel. I don't know why we're on it. I just don't get it. I don't like it. I don't care how much it costs to heat the house. I don't like to freeze. But I have to go get some more wood because we don't really have any. Let me show you guys real fast. This is the fire, and that is all the wood that I have left from yesterday. I have to go outside and bring some more wood in. The dogs are freaking right now. They're just freaking. Rocky and Ace just can't be around Leo right now because they kind of team up on Leo and they're being rude to him. So Leo gets to just be out. They were being rude to him. There is no bullying in my house. So I need to go outside, grab some more wood. Hopefully there'll be some, because I don't think I took all of it yesterday. And then I need to go out to my dad's shop, and my dad and brother said that they think that there's some wood out there. Let's go get some wood before that fire runs out and I have to get it started. Chris tried to start the fire this morning because we didn't have any fire starters, and he couldn't get the fire started, but I did. You guys, he doesn't think I could survive in the woods by myself. I can start a fire, okay? He couldn't. Just saying. But yeah, and then all of that stuff behind me, the boxes, that's all for Chris. And then I have more presents coming today. And then on Christmas Eve, yes, Christmas Eve, I have to go shopping. Chris and I are gonna kind of figure out what we need to get, like what we haven't got yet. So my brother and sister's present is going to be here today. Let's go outside. Fuck this shit. Okay, we're going back outside. I got boots this time, guys. I got boots. I can't wait for the Whelping box to come. I almost thought the damn garage door went open. I would have just rammed that freaking thing. I will try and show you guys or film this, but let's just be honest. It's gonna be nearly impossible. Oh, yep, freezing cold. And I'm wearing these little, can you see? These little leggings. It's like wearing nothing. I feel like I'm naked out here. Open up, you darn car. Look at my wood. I gotta search that little pile and see if I can find wood. I'll set you guys right there. I'll be right back. Little pile. Holy shit. You guys, that was a workout. I think I might pass out. Now, was debating if I should just cut down a tree and just get some big ass logs, and then like you don't have to do it that much. I'm going out to my dad's shop because my dad and brother said that there may be some out there. If I find some, I'll take some. I can't find any wood around town. And the wood that they do have, they're really tiny pieces. Like, it's like the bark. It's what it is. Like, it's nothing. So I don't want to go and spend that price on it, because literally I would need like, I don't even know how many bundles I would need from the gas station just to have enough. Okay, so Chris said that he thought it was like in this wood pile here, and oh well, of course I think it was. Look at my parents' wood pile. I don't know where my brother said that the wood is. I'm gonna get stuck. I'm a little backup cam, but I'll get stuck, trust me. I don't know where he's saying to go look for wood. Oh, I don't know. I have no clue where they have the wood. Okay, we're gonna just bring this wood into the house right now, and then bring the packages in, and then just kind of evaluate the situation, I guess, and then possibly go to town and get some wood if we think we need it. Don't hit his work truck. That's the last thing I need to do. That's all the wood I found. Let's carry it in. Hopefully it only takes me 2 loads. So I got the wood inside. Chris said that he'll take care of the rest of the wood. He'll go find some, so I don't have to do that. But we did get boxes right here, and the bottom one is our Whelping box, and I don't know what the rest of this stuff is, but that package looks like it's pretty damaged. But yeah, I'm gonna bring this stuff in. I don't think I need gloves. Okay, so this is for Chris. This is for, oh, got a present that's mine. Oh, I'm locked out of my own darn house. Amazon. Oh, this might be for Abby, and if it is, they destroyed it. Okay, we got them. We got 5 boxes. Are you gonna open up the Whelping box? Whoa, that is not where I thought you were going with it. Did you see Leo? Lots of pieces. Oh, this is cold. Yeah, it's a good thing that we got it now. Put it together, put it by the fire. My fire is looking pretty pathetic.
Tell me why you did it.
I did have like a big log. Well, it seemed like it was big outside. It's a little fire, but it's a fire. Our Whelping box is put together. So this is where Bella will be having her babies. The mat needs to be fixed a little bit. When moving it in here, it got messed up. So this is how Bella will get in. So if you have a bigger dog, you can take one off, but we would have to do both so then she could get in and out. But then you put these back together, and this is some really nice plastic. It's like a really nice durable plastic. You do that so then she can't get out. Bella's too small to get out of here, and the puppies won't be able to get out, so then it's a nice little enclosure for them. It is small, I do know that. I got the smaller one because Bella's small. She's not big, and Zoe is too, so I don't think we need a big whelping area for them because our dogs are just, they're smaller. It's a smaller breed. It's here, and it's put together. Now we just need little puppies. Okay, so Chris went and got some wood. We got some big logs, so yay. I think, let me show you guys what I'm going to do. I have the video uploading from yesterday. this is kind of my situation. When you kind of step back in the corner, it looks like this. So what I think I'm going to do is move them, push the Whelping box all the way down, move the PC down to that end, and then I will sit more down here. I can bring the monitor a little bit more forward. I could still film, still have some space there, and then Bella will have her own space right over there with the puppies. I think that will work. And then people can kind of walk in and then see her. And then what I'm going to do is take that thing, move it right here, right? Maybe what I should do is move that, move this to over here, and then push this back. I don't know. We're gonna play around a little bit and see what looks best.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah.
Whew, I'm looking crazy. Okay, so we are redoing the whole room because I'm not liking the way it is. I want to have a lot of room for Bella when her puppies come, so I need to create room in this tiny little room that I have. So I'm going to downsize my vanity, and I'm going to go with the smaller top. So then this kind of frees up this right here. I'm gonna put my computer on top of my vanity. It's gonna give me less room, but let's just be honest, I clutter up all my vanity space anyway, so it really doesn't matter.
Can I show you what I had?
Yeah. You won that? Yep.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And I can do some tricks.
Did you teach her like her present?
Yeah. I was the first one to get to.
Okay, you guys, it is 9 o'clock at night. I finally got the room finished. I have Bella with me right here. The vlog from yesterday finally uploaded. For some reason it took over 3 hours and I'm not sure why it took so long. I'm not gonna do a giveaway today. We have 2 giveaways left, so I think I'm gonna do one tomorrow and on Christmas Eve. We're gonna end the vlog here and we will see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, Bella. Say bye, honey. Bye.